One of the other great features of the XApp is the ability to back up and restore your camera's functions. The more you use your camera, you might find yourself customizing different function buttons and other dials. One of the great things about the XApp is it allows us to store those settings. Let me show you how. To back up or restore your camera settings, just tap the Backup Restore icon. To back up your camera settings, tap Backup Settings from Camera. You can customize the name of your backup settings, but the default is the date and the time you do the backup. The app lets you know that the backup is complete. Now that we have our settings backed up, it's easy to restore our camera. Or we can also upload these to another camera of the same model. This is great if you might be renting a camera or you buy a new camera. To restore, just select the backup you want to load and click Restore. This should only take a few seconds. In our next video, we're going to explore the timeline feature. We'll show you how to use this to explore your photography.